we have a package. I have with me here the ORAIMO AirBuds 4, and I bought it from ORAIMO's official website, and it got delivered less than 24 hours. I'm going to unbox it so that we see its first impressions and whatever the package contains. So let's get right into the unboxing. So I think out of the box, this comes very lightweight because ORAIMO specifically said that it is meant to be lightweight so that you have comfortable in using it in your ear. So let's enter and see what is actually inside. Yeah, so out of the box, the package comes with a welcome guide or user manual, and then a pair of ear tips. If you do not want to use the one that comes with it originally, you have a pair of ear tips that you can replace on the AirBuds Pro. It also has a Type-C charging cable that can be used to power it up. This does not come with a power brick, so you have to connect it with a different power source, but a Type-C charging cable is it. And then we have the charging case. That is the main thing inside this package, the charging case for the AirBuds 4.